So in this video, we're going to look at how we make a multiple choice grid question. Firstly, we're going to add a new section. It's important that you'll make sure you're at the last point of your quiz where you want to add that section, otherwise it'll add it earlier. So again, you click on the two rectangles, which is add section. We're going to give it a title. So our title for this section is St. Catherine's History and Saints. Now to add a new question, we click on this plus. And again, it'll produce a new question for us here. Now we're going to choose multiple choice grid. Now it might look a bit confusing at first, but once we've constructed the question, we'll preview it, and it makes it a little bit easier to see. So in this question, we're going to give a range of dates and a range of events in the school's history, and students will have to select which date corresponds to which event. So let's type our question in. In the rows column, we're going to put the events. On the column side, we're going to put the dates in a random order. And again, we're going to make it so that we require a response in each row so students can't guess. If we click preview, we can have a look at what this looks like. Remember, preview is the eye in the top corner. We'll have to skip through our test, so we'll just choose some random answers. And it'll take us to our question. And here you can see what it looks like. So students can choose different dates according to what they think the answer might be. If a student wants to select multiple dates, it won't allow them, and it will move the dot from one answer to the other. If you'd like students to be able to put multiple guesses into one single row, then you want to use the square rather than the circle tabs. So let's go back to our normal quiz and see if we can add a few more questions. Again, we want to set up a similar type of question, so we're going to duplicate the question. Be careful not to press the delete, as it will get rid of our question. So we're going to duplicate, and again it's going to give us a very similar layout. However, this time we're going to change the question. And again, instead of adding dates over here, we're going to be putting in our saints. And there we have our second question set up. So have a go, try doing it yourself, and then come back for our next task.